Hey guys, it's Cece here with Flower in the Desert. Welcome to my channel again. This is actually the second time that I'm recording this video, so bear with me. I did the first one earlier and I just didn't think it looked right, so here goes another one. So this video is all about banana trees that I'm growing in my backyard. If you saw my videos, I think it was my last video, I mentioned that I bought 4 pups from an Amazon seller, and I will put the name of the seller in the description below. But yeah, I got 4 pups. They came in super well wrapped and looking really good. As soon as I got them, I put them in a container. So I have 4, so I put them in 4 different containers, right? And I put those containers in different areas of my yard, and then I can show you that later. But yeah, I put those in different areas of my yard just to see where they will do better, what part of my yard they will actually do better. And well, I had to kind of move them all back to the one area because they weren't doing so great. And I will show you that as well in my next part of the video here. So yeah, I put them in the containers. They were doing great for a few days, and then I noticed that with the Arizona sun they were getting burned really bad, and I had to move them to a more shaded area, and they seem to be doing a little better now, but I'm not sure yet how they're gonna do. I'm hoping if I keep them in this shaded area and water well, but not too much, they will be able to survive. And that's the thing with these banana trees. They if you put too much water, they can get the roots rotten, and if you don't water enough, they can just not survive. They don't grow. So a lot of things that you need to think about when growing a banana tree. But let me show you really quick where they are right now and how they're looking like. And yeah, so right here on my patio. Obviously this is not gonna work here on the long term. I'm gonna have to find a better area where there's more shade. I don't know how long I'll be able to grow them in containers until I had to put them in the ground, but yeah, they're not acclimated to the strong sun that we're having here in Arizona. And yeah, so let me show you really quick so that you get an idea. This one here, which is probably the healthiest one right now, this one was originally here the entire time. This one, and these 2 little ones, and this one right here were over there and over there where my dog is, around that area. And so because of that, they were getting, as you can see, this kind of sun, and it's really strong. I mean, the temperature is not that high. We're in the 80s right now, high 70s, low 80s. But let me tell you, this Arizona sun, it just burns. It will burn you. And that's what was happening to this. So I ended up moving them all back here in the shade. I'll probably have to put a little bit more water. Yeah, this 2 look like they need a little bit more water. That one is still a little wet there. You can see the soil is still a little wet. But yeah. So this variety that I got are called Grand Name. I think that's the name. And if I am correct, these are the kind of bananas that are most commonly known as the Chiquita bananas, the ones that you buy in the grocery store, the little bananas. And it will take for this I believe it 12 to 18 months to grow to full size. So yeah, 12 to in a year and a half, you should have a full-size banana tree, according to my Google searches and research. And yeah, so I have 4 of them right now. In the past, I had one that didn't make it. Now I have this 4. I'm hoping that they'll do okay. I chose to use potting soil because they're in containers. And also because it is recommended, I believe they're pretty similar to what an avocado tree or a citrus tree will be like. So what they need the soil to be really well drained. Otherwise, the roots of those banana trees can get rotten if there's too much water and the water has nowhere to go. So yeah, make sure that if you do this, you have well drained soil. The pH also, you know, you might need to check the pH. I think they need something 5.5 or so pH on the soil. I have to look that a little bit more closely, but yeah, that's what's happening with this ones here. And I hope they do a little better than my last one. Honestly, I was a little sad and disappointed to see this already and this. Immediately after I saw that, I removed them from where they were and put them over here. So yeah, so this is the Grand Name variety. I think that's how it's pronounced, Grand Name or Grand Haim or something like that. I will put it in the description too. And I've seen here in Arizona a few more varieties. There's another one called ice cream bananas. Oh, by the way, these ones are supposed to be small, like a kind of a dwarf variety, so about 6 feet tall, maybe up to 8. The other ones that I just mentioned, the ice cream bananas, are way taller than that, 10 to 12 feet or 15 feet tall. And the reason, of course, they didn't want such a big tree is because how am I gonna get up there to get those bananas? You know. And yeah, just making my life easier if I get something small. Besides, I am 5 feet tall, so 5'1". So nothing too big for me, please. And yeah, so that's why, you know, I chose this variety. There's another one too. It's called Blue. I believe it's called Blue Bananas or something like that. And those grow here in Arizona as well. But yeah, the most common ones will be this one, Grand Name, and then the ice cream bananas. I'll see if I can put a picture for you guys here in the video so you can see a comparison. The fruit, they're supposed to be super delicious. Like I said before, this one is more like the Chiquita bananas that you'll buy at the store. The ice cream bananas are more of the longer bananas that you'll find at the stores, the bigger ones. And yeah, what do you think? So yeah, this is kind of what I know about bananas. Of course, I'm learning as I try to get this going, and I hope I can give you more information as I get it. If you have questions, if you have any tips, advice, anything for me regarding this as well, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of what I'm doing here in my backyard with this little food forest that I'm trying to create. And yeah, I think that's all I have for today. I'm keeping an eye on this. They're supposed to grow from the middle out, and so I'm hoping pretty soon I'll see, you know, these other ones, the other leaves developing and growing, so that I know that they're gonna be okay. Again, I'm worried about this too the most. This one too doesn't look great. This has been the best one so far, but I don't know. After my last experience with the one that didn't make it, I'm trying to be super careful. I wasn't sure what happened to the last one. I don't know if I actually overwatered it or had too much sun. I honestly don't know. But yeah, please give me any advice you can think of if you're experiencing growing bananas, and I will definitely take any good advice, because I hope these ones make it. The reason too I got 4 is because I honestly was thinking that, okay, at least I have 4 chances to make this work, so we'll see. I will keep you updated on this as they grow and show you what the process is. Again, like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys on the next one. You all have a great day. Bye.